Dave Vantine and Spider-Man, Larry Mcbride. Trim Tech's Pingel bike going on the right side, the world record holder. So Dave Vantine, currently qualified in the 6th spot, and Larry Mcbride, look at Larry Mcbride fight that motorcycle and go 481 at 236 miles per hour. 4.813, 236. Larry Mcbride goes to the number 1 spot. First bike in the 4s. First bike over 230 miles per hour. And Mcbride into the number 1 spot. David Vantine goes 5.065, 204. Vantine goes to number 2, just ahead of Bob Malloy. And the Pingel folks. The Pingel Top Fuel Motorcycle Class debut. Go to the number 1 spot. Spider-Man doing what he does best.